Hi everyone, welcome to What's Cooking. Today we're cooking outside in the sun. It's really hot, it's beautiful. We are going to make the most beautiful sandwich, and the tomato is straight from my garden. The cucumber is straight from my garden. It's a treat for you today. Easy, literally 10 minutes and it's done. Okay, what have I got here? I've just put this beautiful bread in the oven. It's olive bread, nice and hot. Here we go, we've got that. So we are going to slice it in half. Oh, can you hear that crunch? Oh, it's hot. Can you see the steam coming out? Okay, and we are going to have Irish butter. It's the best. We don't use margarine or anything like that. Irish butter is the best. We're going to smear it very well. Oh, it's melting on both sides. Here I've got some beautiful forest ham, so I'm going to spread it in my sandwich. We're going to be very generous because it's summer and it's hot and it's a beautiful day. Here I have this beautiful antipasto selection. We are going to be, very generous, but not that generous. Okay, and I have cheese. I love cheese. It's just cheddar cheese. So we are going to spread it all around. We're going to be generous as well. How exciting is that? This is all from my garden. We picked them today. So don't forget to watch Eden, my garden. And I think I'm going to use that one. It's red and it's juicy. It's absolutely beautiful. And thin slice. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's so refreshing. It's so nice and cool. Guys, this is the cucumber I've picked as well from my garden. This is just a normal cucumber, but this is called cucumber lemon. It tastes nothing like a lemon, but it just looks like a lemon. So maybe you've never seen it before. This is the first time I planted. It's so exciting. Mmm, crunchy. Oh, it's like drinking water, full of water. It's juicy. Okay, let's see, is that enough? No, we're going to have more. Let's got more. I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper, very lightly, not too much. So here we go, look at that. All right, our sandwich has been in the sun, it's heating up, and we are going to fill it up with our tomato. Ooh, let's see. We are going to have a little bit of English mustard. English mustard is the best. English butter is the best. Voila, guys, this is the most beautiful sandwich ever, and it's still very warm. We are going to slice it, we're going to eat it, and we're going to enjoy it. Hi guys, I want to share with you about Solomon. Solomon in the Bible, when the Lord asked him, Solomon, what can I do for you? What can I give you? And Solomon asked for wisdom. He didn't ask for wealth or health or material things. He got wisdom and he got more than that. He got wealth, health, and everything else. I just want to encourage you today that, we need wisdom of the Lord, because we are going through a time we've never been like that before. We need wisdom, about schooling. We need wisdom about work. We need wisdom for our country. Our president needs wisdom. The world needs wisdom, what to do in this situation. So my prayer today that, we will ask God wisdom. If we don't have the wisdom of the Lord, people perish. We need God's wisdom. We need God to tell us what to do next. So Lord, we pray today that you would give each and every one who is listening today wisdom to deal with situation in this pandemic about our lives. And the Lord will not fail us. Whatever we ask him, especially wisdom, he will give it to us liberally, lots of wisdom. And God bless you. And if you like what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe and leave comments and show me your big sandwich. And God bless you. We love you.